This question is asking us about the solutions or the values for x that will make this equation 0. So it says, what are the solutions of the quadratic equation 2x plus 7 times 3x minus 5 is equal to 0? It's already in factored form for us, so we have a product, this first parentheses, the 2x plus 7, times the second parentheses, 3x minus 5, and that has to be 0. So we have two things being multiplied, and the result needs to be 0. So since we know that 0 times anything will give us 0, we just need to figure out what value of x will make the first parentheses 0, and which value of x will make the second parentheses 0, and both of those solutions will work for this equation. All right, so let's just take that out. Let's do exactly what we said. We want to know, when does 2x plus 7 equals 0? All right, now that we have that pulled out, we can just simply solve for x. So subtract 7 to both sides. We get 2x is equal to negative 7. And then to get x by itself, we would divide both sides by 2, giving us a value of x equals negative 7 halves. Looking at our answers here, it looks like that alone gets us into G or K. That's the only two answers that has negative 7 halves as a solution. So now we do the second piece. We want to know, when does 3x minus 5 equal 0? And we do essentially the same thing. Let's add 5 to both sides, trying to isolate x. And that gives us 3x is equal to 5. And then divide both sides by 3. And we get x is equal to 5/3. So when we take a look at our options, we see that in answer K, we have an x value of negative 7 halves and a second x value of 5/3. Those are the two solutions that will make this quadratic equation equal 0, so we can confidently answer K.